So here we are going to demonstrate about hybrid power generation system. The main components of our project are wind turbine and the solar panels. So and here you can see an inverter circuit board, and whereas there is a charge controller out there. So with the help of these all components, we are going to generate the voltage. So let us discuss about the wind turbine. So here we have used an Pelton type vertical axis wind turbine. So whenever it is going to rotate with the help of wind blow, there is a connecting rod connected to a shaft. So there is a shaft of 6 mm connected to the gearbox of the permanent magnet DC motor. So whenever the shaft is going to rotate, the gearbox is going to rotate the rotatory motion of the permanent magnets. So these permanent magnets are going to generate the voltage, and this generated voltage is given as an input to the charging circuit. So here you can see two charging circuits over here. So one is for the dynamo, another is for the solar panels. So this generated voltage is going to give input power supply to the DB107 bridge rectifier, and here you can see an 1000 microfarads capacitor and toggle switch to on and off the power supply, and there is a diode to not get reverse current into the circuit. These are the connecting element terminals, output terminals. Wherever you want, you can connect it, and the same circuit repeats on the other end. But here you have the solar panels. So here we are going to use an solar panel, another source. So coming to the solar panel is nothing but a photovoltaic diode. So whenever the light intensity falls on this photovoltaic diode, it is emitting the voltage. The emitted voltage will be stored into the battery. So these photovoltaic diodes are different types, like monocrystal, polycrystal, crystal solar cells, high concentric solar cells, concentric, like that. There are n varieties of solar cells. So here we are going to use an polycrystal solar cell. So these solar cells are connected in series and parallel format, and gives an output voltage around 12 volts, 20 watt. So 20 watt. So this power supply is going to give as an input to the charging circuit, where all the components are connected in parallel. So all the positive terminals and all the negative terminals are connected to the single 2-pin terminal, to which we are going to give as an input to the charging circuit. So these output will be given to the 2-pin element connecting terminal, where the both terminals are again combined, like positive and negative are connected in parallel, and giving as an input to the charge controller. So in the charge controller, here you can see an voltage display. So whatever the voltage is going to become, that can be shown in the charge controller. So this charge controller is again given as an input to the adapter terminal to the battery. So the battery gets charged whenever it starts to rotate. So here you can whenever you want to see the voltage display, you have to connect to this terminal, or else you can connect to this terminal, so that whenever the rotation is being done, the charging LED will be glowing. So this is how the voltage generation is being demonstrated. So whenever the wind turbine is going to be rotated, the LED intensity will be increased. Rotate. So here you can see the charging LED also being indicated. So this is how the solar and wind power generation is being demonstrated. And there is another advantage over here. You can connect the AC as an input also. So whenever you give AC as an input, the battery gets charged automatically with the help of AC power supply, if at all there is any problem. So this is how the battery gets charged. Thank you. This is how the project is being demonstrated. Thank you.